Never go too fast.
You know, with the video camera, kids always see you in the video camera doing things with them, and they're going to think that their dad did everything with them when they're older, but they don't realize that the person who took the camera is the person who took the pictures is your mom. Your mom, you know what I mean? He's not listening to me.
Get in there, you.
Again.
Hi, Eden.
Okay, this time I'm doing it a lot, though.
No.
Yep.
No, Mark, not a lot.
Just a little bit, a lot.
Is that okay, Mika?
Not a lot at all.
No.
Watch your fingers.
Okay, that's enough, Mark.
A little bit more than that.
Mark, see what the dog's got. The dog just dragged something out of the bush there.
Yeah, just something. A little piece of cloth. You want to come on, Eden?
No, it goes too fast for Eden.
You want to come on?
Maybe it's that bear that we saw a great big bear.
No, really?
No, the neighbor did, but we didn't.
Wow.
But Dad said, look for it.
You ready?
Yeah. Keep your head in, Mika.
Yuck, Aiden.
Ow, my hand.
Hi,
Now we're
Eden.
going again.
Hi. No, what?
Boo! Come here, piglet. What's the matter? Hi, Mac. Hey, birthday boy.
Are you done your
Hey, Mika. Let's see you hit that thing. Harder, harder.
Yeah, you got a little boo-boo there, don't you? I hate boo-boos. I hate boo-boos, eh?
Good.
Mark,
Yeah?
in the back of our house, there's some strawberries.
Yeah? Cool. Mika, don't hang on it because it'll break, eh? Okay, look out, Mika.
Oh, is that a video camera?
Yep.
Hi.
Hi.
Can I have those gloves, Mika? I gotta do some pictures. No, it's me. He's gonna do a picture.
Okay, first I want to see. Look out, Eden.
That's a video camera, not a picture.
I'm taking a picture right now, Mac.
I need the...
Eden. Yeah, you're gonna get bopped, Eden.
Hey, I need the gloves.
You'll get him in a second.
Is that a video camera or a camera?
Video camera.
Hello. I need the gloves, Mika. Uncle Mark.
Mika, will you give Jessamy the gloves? No, you give Jessamy the gloves just for a second. Watch out, Mika.
Sorry, Mika. Why don't you take me?
Okay, Mackenzie. It's all right. Mika, what happened?
Gloves off and then she fell.
Oh, that's okay. You didn't get hurt too bad.
Sorry, Mika.
Come here, Mackenzie. Okay, Brant, you're the referee. Okay.
All right.
Mad Mackenzie.
My name
Is what?
I don't know.
Okay.
My name is
In
Aiden
this
Huck.
corner from the big Vildal, it's wearing red, black, and white. It's the Crusher.
It's Jessamy the Juice.
And
Lusick.
in this ring, on the other corner, is the birthday boy wearing blue, green, and white. For your entertainment, this 10-round exhibition will be... All right. Go ahead and blow the bell. Go!
You guys stop punching each other. Stop punching each other.
Oh, is it a knockout? 1, 2. Oh, he's up again. Down. Oh, 1. And 2. Hey, this isn't wrestling, Mika. Oh, I think it goes to 10, doesn't it?
Yeah.
He doesn't stand up by 10, he loses.
4,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Come on, Mackenzie, push her off.
Crawl away.
8,
9,
9.
9.5.
9 and 3/4. I know he's up.
Uh-oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh,
It's almost time!
Jesse
It's almost...
is the winner. Wrestling Mackenzie to the ground and holding him there for 10 long seconds.
Woo!
The champion of
Yay!
champions, it's Mika! Is that what you wanted?